Hi, I'm Patrick Weinert, founder of The Money Mission, and I help people like you achieve success with your finances so you can lead a more fulfilling life. In this video, we are going to talk more about some of the principles of value investing. And this particular video is going to focus on insider actions. What are insider actions? So in our previous videos, some of the talking points that we discussed included a price to earnings ratio and the earnings of companies, and looking at those as ways to determine whether or not an investment in a company was a good value buy or a bargain. We also talked about the concept of return on capital, or how much stuff does a business need in order to generate a dollar worth of income. We also talked about my experience in the Marine Corps and managing the Marine Corps' budget, the lessons that I took from that, and the ways that we can apply that to not only our saving and investing, but then also our budgeting overall and how much we spend. In today's video, we're going to talk about insider actions, and insider actions are a data point. They're not the whole picture. They're part of the big picture when it comes to value investing. So insiders are people that work inside a business. So any business usually has employees. And if we want to use examples of Fortune 500 companies, in many cases they have hundreds of thousands of employees. So for instance, if I work at Walmart as a manager, I am an employee of Walmart. And I may have the opportunity through either my retirement plan and my 401k, or through some sort of program in the company, to purchase or obtain company stock. If I am buying a large amount of company stock in the business that I work for, that can be a good indication that that is a good purchase even for outside investors too. And why is this the case? It's the case because people who work at a business understand that business a whole lot better than we do. I mean, I can pore over balance sheets and income statements and cash flow statements and do all this research in the world for you, but I'm not going to know that business as well as someone who works there. So if someone who is working there is aggressively buying company stock, that's a good indication that it's probably a good investment. The reason why is, again, they understand the business better than I do. What is the importance of this and what is the relevancy of this? So when we were talking about a lot of our value investing, this is a data point. It's something that should be looked at when it comes to value investing. It isn't the whole answer, because insiders get it wrong too. But there are ways that you can find this information out, and some of it is available on websites. There's one particular website called GuruFocus.com. If you log into GuruFocus and you set up a free account, again, this is free, you'll be able to see for a particular company that you look up how many buyers and sellers there have been in the last few years and all the way up to within a few months, because this information is of public record when it comes to certain people of authority in large companies. Two examples of businesses today that are, being purchased by insiders is General Electric, or GE, and Consolidated Edison. General Electric is a manufacturing giant, and in recent years, its stock price has fallen to a 10-year low. And the reason for that is because the company has come upon some financial difficulty. Well, many of the insiders have seen this as an opportunity, have started buying up the company stock. And this may also be a good opportunity, as indicated by their bullishness on it, since they work there, that the investment is a good one right now, and something that even outsiders should purchase as well. Another good example is Consolidated Edison. Consolidated Edison is a utility company based in New York State that has been in business for 180 years and has been a reliable source of income for many people over that time. The reliability has made it very attractive to pension funds and to retirees who have a lot of money in bonds, but then also look at other avenues that provide a reliable stream of income but are diversified. Consolidated Edison has not missed a dividend payment in any year except for 1974 in the last 180 years. That's a pretty remarkable track record. So what I want you to do is I want you to log into GuruFocus, set up a free account, take a look at some of these pieces of information that I'm sharing with you. When I look at something to invest in as far as value, I look at the principles of good bargain hunting. principles of value investing. I look at the return on capital. I look at the business strategy and at the insider buying or selling, and I use that as data points. And I take all that information together and I analyze a company in order to determine whether or not, in my estimation, that's a good investment right now. And in the next video, what I want to do with you is I want to provide you with an opportunity to get more detailed information for you in order for you to put your money in particular companies to beat the market, to grow your wealth aggressively, and to know that you have that opportunity to do very well with your savings, and in some cases even get it tax-free. Please post a question, a comment, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or subscribe to my newsletter at patrickweinert.com, and keep your eye out for that next video. And until next time, I wish you unlimited success.